Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello and welcome. I think I just said that, didn't I? Today we are going to be opening another Fabfitfun box. And while we marvel at my intro skills, I've made an intro. Don't laugh, it's not funny, it's not nice. I'm trying. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and we will get into this unboxing. So I got the Fabfitfun for summer. They now ship to the UK, which is very exciting. So I thought I would give it a go. I have now signed up for the yearly subscription. I will put details somewhere about the price. So the Fabfitfun box is a subscription box of which is shipped to you 4 times, that's 4 times a year. So spring, summer, autumn and winter. It has between 8 and 10 full-size premium products. You get to choose 3 items, so it gives you a choice of which items you would prefer. Because I've signed up for the annual one, I got to choose 4. I got to customize 4. You get to customize earlier than other people, and your box gets shipped out earlier too. Products are based on, you do a little survey when you sign up, and it says like any concerns, and it'll go through your skin, your hair, fashion, loads of different pieces, loads of bits and pieces. So you customize it for what you would like, and then when it comes to getting your box, you get to choose which bits you would prefer. One of the items this year got withdrawn, which was a at-home tooth whitening machine kit thing. It got withdrawn, I'm not sure why, but that wasn't an option. So I know a few people were a little bit annoyed by that, but anyway, if it's got withdrawn then it's obviously for a good reason. I'm not sure, it might sound really silly, but I'm not sure, because I am in the UK, whether I would be able to order electrical goods. I need to find that out. With the Fabfitfun as well, you can add items. So a lot of, they've got like a shop and it has items which are between 30 and 70% off. You can add those to your little basket as well. So I've already split this box, but I haven't opened it. And this is the autumn box. So the first thing we get in here is, I'm gifting you $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. That's $200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $34.99. An expiry code, so that is C6KJTS, and that expires the 25th of October 2019. I will link it as well. I also have HelloFresh, an $80 gift card. This is America's #1 meal kit. So I'm not sure whether I can use that. You have a little magazine. This magazine has lots about the products that are in the box this season, some fashion ideas, nice little magazine with details of what's in here. So you can see I've still got my little sticker on here. So let's rip this open. All in tissue paper, and this is all that I've got. So I did go on and have a look. The contents of this box, I have 8 items. In my summer box I received 9 items. This box total amount is $291. My summer box was in fact a hell of a lot more, which was $452 worth. So it's a lot less this time, which is a little bit disappointing, but it's still a lot more than what I paid for it. So the first thing, which this was a item that I chose, this is Trustaki Mini Eye Essentials Luxe Neutral Set. And in here you get a mini brow pencil, a mini shadow crayon, another mini shadow crayon, and a mini eye pencil in black. So that's the mini eye pencil in black. Doesn't feel very... it's a bit wibbly wobbly, but it's nice black. I love the lids. So that's a little thin skinny pencil, and then this one is a mini shadow crayon in Kona Coffee. Just a twist up. Oh, that's nice and creamy. This looks a bit more shimmery. This is Pink Pearl. If you can see that, that's really pretty. And then the next one, did I say, was a brow pencil in Americano. Oh, wow. I like that. So that's in one of those little, can you see? I don't know if you'll be able to see it. A little triangle. Oh. That is really wobbly, and it's actually just scratching my hand, not actually drawing on it really. Oh, it's starting to come out a bit. It's really scratchy. Maybe it needs a little bit of warming up. So that's the first item. Second item, Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Protects from heat styling. Smells, why does everything smell lavender to me? Oh, forgive it, it doesn't seem to have lavender in it. So it's just a, oh, not that you can see it. It smells medicinal. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. What does that smell? I want to say old lady, but not in the bad way. So this is to use on damp hair. The next item I'm seeing is Bubble Bar Ferret Eye Crawlers. So they're a hook, dangly earrings. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? So this is what it looks like. Nice and sparkly, a little bit flimsy. I can bend that around. Let's see. Where is the hole? That's quite cute. I would have it up like that, dangle it down, or you can, if my ear would just do as it's told, spin it round and have it like that. So my ears aren't very good with jewellery which is not gold or silver. They tend to not like them very much. And my ears get really sore. This is something that I would wear, but only for a night out. You'll see that I don't very often wear earrings, not for a long length of time anyway. It's only just to go out or just to go out for an evening because my ears just can't take it. And I don't have any gold or silver earrings. I need to get myself some. Right, the next item I think was also an item that I chose. And this is from Wonder Beauty. This is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. You know me, I love a mask, especially love an eye mask as well. So this comes in a pack of pack of 6. I thought there was only going to be 5 in there. Oh yeah, 6. 6 pairs of eye masks. And apparently these claim to brighten, hydrate and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents expiration, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, so the mask will never slip. And the third is silicose fibre that condenses and delivers key ingredients effectively, giving you all skin loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil. Bloody lavender! If it smells of lavender, I'm having a shit fit. Offers a cooling effect while soothing and calming the under eye area. So I will be giving those a go, probably later on actually. The next item are these, and these are the detox pads. Who are they made by? It's got a plastic film on over it and I can't read it properly. Nazif M&D. These are detox pads, complexion perfecting pads. Let's have a look and see. I can't get into it. There it is. This is perforated. Says gently wipe face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. Avoid the upper and lower eyelids. A tingling sensation will occur, or may occur even. This is normal. Don't really smell of anything as such. Oh yeah, maybe a tiny weeny bit of that witch hazel. So I have just put on some moisturiser, so I don't want to. Look at this spot here. Can you see this? This has been threatening to come out for ages. And this morning it decided to pop out. Freaking rude. Right, what is this one? Oh, I never use these. A body supple. So a lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, human plus kinds 2-in-1 light and fluffy body supple. It's natural, it's not tested on animals, it is suitable. It is suitable for vegans, it's ethically sourced and it's paraben free. Let's sniff it. Oh, this one is also sealed. So it's quite a light, that smells very cucumbery. It's got shea butter, apricot. It smells slightly, I don't know, you know, that cucumbery, cooling, nice. Maybe I should put that in the bathroom and use that, otherwise it's going to go to waste. Okay, the next are, Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. So these are saying take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. For the body only, I suppose not your face, for external use only. I'm not even going to address that. Let's have a sniff. Oh my god, I got way too close then. Oh my god, they smell freaking delicious. Oh, it's a juice cleanse, that's why. That. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells freaking delicious. This made my mouth water. It's like a citrusy. I'm so rubbish at describing what things smell like. Oh, it smells like pineapple and... oh my god, I'm looking forward to that. Last item, which was another one of my choice. Let me just get the little worms off it. Was this. A plush, stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf from plushapparel.com. So this will be nice for, it's very soft. This will be nice for autumn and winter. And that's it. That is my entire box done. Even though I got less items and it was less amount of money, I am pretty happy with everything that I got. I'm definitely going to give everything of that a go. There was a couple of things in my last box that I've only just started using, and there's a few bits I haven't used yet which are still down in here somewhere. So I can see myself using everything that's here apart from the body softle, but I will try. If you get the Fabfitfun box, let me know what you chose, what you got, how much yours came up to. That was another factor. It was a little bit, when you don't get as much money's worth. Okay, so after some little diving into my computer, I am none the wiser. The HelloFresh $80 gift card doesn't work for us, so that's in the bin. In respects to the electrical goods, I don't know whether people in the UK can order any of the electrical goods that are in the box. I didn't this season because the hair straighteners, which were one of the items that you could pick, I've already got hair straighteners and I do believe they sold out like straight away. So I'm none the wiser of if in future boxes, but hopefully by the time our winter box is ready to customize, I will have the answer. If anyone does have the answer, if you will comment below whether you know if people in the UK can order electrical goods from the Fabfitfun box. So I have popped all the prices of all the items in the sidebar, and I will see you all next time. Bye!